Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about voice. Voice, it is a form of verb. It tells us what subject does and what is done to subject. It has two kinds. They are active voice and passive voice. Active voice, it is a form of verb which tells what subject it does, whereas passive voice is a form of verb which tells what is done to subject. Let us see how to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Here in red color it is given active voice, that is he plays cricket. He is subject, plays is verb, cricket is object. Before going to know how to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice, we should know the rules. The rules are: first one is object becomes subject, second one helping verb is added, third one verb third form is added, fourth one by preposition is added, fifth one subject becomes object. Now we have to apply all these 5 rules orderly. Let us see the first rule. Object becomes subject. Here in the given active voice, object is cricket. So we have to write this in subject place. Second rule is helping verb. If verb is in first form, we have to take is, am, are. Here the subject is singular, you have to take is only. Third rule is V3. Third form of the verb plays is played. So we have written played. After that, fourth rule by preposition. So we have written by. And last one, subject becomes object. In the given sentence, subject is he. We changed it into him. So the answer is cricket is played by him. Let us see the meaning of active voice and passive voice through the examples. Here in black color, it is given example for active voice. He plays cricket. Here someone is doing something. ఒకరు ఒక పని చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. Subject has given more importance. In active voice, subject has given more importance. Whereas in passive voice, example is cricket is played by him. Here something is done by someone. ఒక పని ఒకరి చేత చేయబడుతుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్. ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇస్తారు. యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్లో సబ్జెక్ట్కి ఎక్కువ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. యాక్టివ్ వాయిస్లో ఒకరు ఒక పని చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్లో ఒక పని ఒకరి చేత చేయబడుతుంది. లెట్ us see the 5 rules in detail. The 5 rules are: first one is object becomes subject, second one helping verb is added, third one verb 3 form is added, fourth one by preposition is added, fifth one subject becomes object. Different kinds of sentences follows different kinds of rule order to change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. For assertive and interrogative sentence, we need to follow the rule order same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For yes or no questions, we have to use the rule order 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. For WH word questions, we have to use WH word first, after that 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. For who questions, we have to use by whom plus 2, 1, 3 in passive voice. Note, tense should not be changed in passive voice. The verb always follows the subject. The following tenses does not have passive voice. Example: present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense. These 4 tenses have no passive voice. Another important note, that is, some verbs don't take preposition by. Such kind of verbs are no. After no, we have to take the preposition to. Surprised, worried, astonished, vexed. follows preposition at. Satisfied, pleased, disgusted follows with. In this video, we shall see how assertive sentences change from active voice to passive voice. In the next videos, we shall see the remaining sentences like negative, interrogative, yes or no questions and WH word questions, who questions. Now let us see how assertive sentences change from active voice to passive voice. Observe the table carefully. In simple present tense, the active voice is he drinks milk. Here the subject is he, verb is drinks, object is milk. So the rule order is same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First rule is object becomes subject. So we have used the object as subject milk. Helping verb is V3 drunk by preposition, after that him. So the answer is milk is drunk by him. In the same way, we changed present continuous tense also. The only difference is here verb 1 follows ing form in active voice. So we have to write in passive voice as being plus V3. So the answer is milk is being drunk by him. And present perfect tense, he has drunk milk. It is changed as milk has been drunk by him. Has changed into has been. Observe the below given table. In active voice, V1, is, am, are, do, does are there. We have to take in passive voice helping verbs is, am, are. In active voice, V1 plus ing is there. We have to change it into being plus V3. In active voice, has or have are there. Passive voice, these will be changed as has been or have been. In the same way, simple past, past continuous, past perfect tense also changes into passive voice. Simple past, he drank milk. Passive voice is milk was drunk by him. Past continuous, he was drinking milk. Passive voice is milk was being drunk by him. Past perfect, he had drunk milk. Passive voice is milk had been drunk by him. Simple future, active voice is he will drink milk. Passive voice for this is milk will be drunk by him. Future perfect, active voice is he will drink milk. Passive voice is milk will have been drunk by him. Observe the below given table. In active voice, will or shall there. Passive voice, we have to use will be or shall be. In active voice, will have or shall have are there. We have to use will have been or shall have been in passive voice. Hope all of you understood how assertive sentences changes from active voice to passive voice. So we have passive voice for 8 tenses only. The remaining 4 tenses are in passive form. So we cannot write passive voice for the remaining 4 tenses. Observe the below given sentence and try to change the following sentence from active voice to passive voice and write it in comment box. The sentence is he has completed his homework. In the next videos, we will learn about how to change the following sentence from active voice to passive voice. The kind of sentences are negative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and double object sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.